1975 blockbuster movie, Jaws. Now, Jaws filmed on location in Martha's Vineyard and on the Atlantic Ocean. But here to the right, we have recreated Amity Island from the movie. Let's check it out. See what's going on. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, it looks like there is a shark out there right now. How lucky are we? Oh, there's a diver out there too, but do not worry, he is trained to handle shark encounters. Observe. Okay. It appears the training is not kicking in. Alright. Well, let's just go ahead and pause right next to these gasoline barrels. If I learned anything from video games, this is what I'm saying. Ah, the shark's messing with the dock over there. It always gets somebody. Sometimes it's me. I stop paying attention and it pops up and scares me. And on the cooler days, the fire feels pretty good. But if you're sitting on the right side, make sure you still have eyebrows on your face. That's one of the hazards of being that close to the fire. That shark's been trying to scare people since 1976. They added this to the tour the year after Jaws came out in theaters. And that shark works way better than the shark from Jaws ever did.
If you want to watch the full version, click this video on the left, or want to watch a video that recommend for you, click this video on the right. Finally, thank you for watching and see you later.